Here we are in Montepulciano, Italy, in the Tuscany area, and what you see here is the panoramic view from the top of the town. It's gorgeous. And you can see wineries, butterfly coming by. You can see some mountains in the background. You can hear the roosters. UNESCO protected area.
I think this way.
It's all buildings with a brick. These are probably 16th, 17th century. And here's a sculpture. Truly fantastic view. So come with us as we take you to Tuscany and all these other areas.
Thank you so
Come with
much.
us as we take you to Tuscany to this wonderful wine growing area, vineyards, farms, cheese. From sheep milk. So come with us and we can take you here and create a wonderful experience. We're going to be going on to a vineyard and have a wine tasting.